why some video editors are making good money even with CapCut, and you can't even make money enough to afford genuine Adobe license. Some creators are charging thousands of dollars from their clients, but your mouth shuts down even asking for $100. You spent hundreds of hours learning Adobe Premiere Pro, then Adobe After Effects. Oh, sorry, that's not enough. I need to learn DaVinci. Oh, wait, iMangadzi just uploaded a video with a lot of 3D scene. You need to learn Blender now. Oh, man, my PC is shit. It can't run Blender or After Effects anymore. I think I should buy a new graphics card. Okay, let's go.
One eternity later.
Brother, now I have all the necessary powers to conquer this creative field. I will be the chosen one who will edit videos for literally thousands of dollars. Hey sir, I can edit videos like iMangadzi. I want $1,000 for editing.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Why should I pay you thousands of dollars just to edit my video?
Because I have learned the art of video editing in Premiere Pro, After Effects, and DaVinci. I can edit in any famous creator style.
Wait, I'll get back to you.
Hi ma'am, I can edit in $50 with unlimited revisions.
Okay, let's go.
My brother, why? This always happens with me. I have invested so much in learning these insane softwares and upgrading my PC.
This is your story, and this is what 99% of video editors do. They try to copy the style of top creators without adding their own unique touch. They try to sell a service, not a solution. You have to understand, people still watch raw, unedited videos of someone speaking in front of a phone. People still watch lame meme clips. People still watch 10-year-old content on YouTube. Making a good video isn't about how many fancy effects you add. A good video will have an amazing script and good editing. When I say good editing, I don't mean 3D effects and premium fonts. A good video must deliver your message and create a unique identity in the audience's mind. Today, 99% of video editors just copy and paste styles. Almost no one dares to create their own style, and that's why people can't recognize your client as a brand. This is also the reason you can't charge higher rates. Your editing is neither making your client richer nor more popular. Some YouTube creators are very smart. They create a unique video editing and content style for their channel and stick to it. Podcasters like Joe Rogan use almost the same style of video editing in each video. They don't need fancy editing. They don't need fancy 3D Blender scenes. The formula is simple. Your editing price is directly proportional to how many views and how much branding you establish for your client. Now that you know what to provide, you need to learn how to do it. If you want to create a new video editing style, make sure of these 3 things. Number 1, align with your client's content. If your client makes funny skits on trending topics, keep a stack of relevant memes. If your client creates horror videos, focus on sound design. Search for horror sound effects and styles that suit the video. If your client wants realistic AI image animation, invest time and money to find the best AI tools and learn how to animate AI images. Number 2, create presets and patterns. Focus on creating presets and a pattern for your editing. Use similar sound effects, cuts, and transitions with minor tweaks. This builds an easy workflow, saves you time, and develops a recognizable content brand for your client. Number 3, learn more about content creation. Improve your knowledge of script writing, topic selection, and overall content strategy. Educate your client so they can choose better topics, which allows you to produce better edits, resulting in more profit for both of you. That's all they need, no rocket science here. For beginners, it's crucial to learn the basics of video editing and effects. Understand how effects are made. For example, suppose I want to make a basketball, bouncing back and forth. Sounds cool? First, I go to YouTube and search for basketball bouncing animation to see which video can help me. But soon, I realized there isn't an exact tutorial showing how to animate a realistic basketball. At that moment, I remembered that After Effects can import 3D object files directly. So, I went to Google and downloaded some 3D basketball assets. After downloading a 3D basketball file from a website, I found a problem. After Effects wasn't importing my OBJ or GLB file. I searched for the issue and discovered that 3D object files are only supported in the 2024 beta version. Now I had two options. First, cry about my After Effects version like most new video editors do, or second, find a different approach, and I chose the latter. I started searching on YouTube again for solutions. I got stuck on a video explaining how to create a 3D sphere ball from a 2D image. Then, my creative, not-so-intelligent mind got an idea for making a perfect 3D, realistic basketball. I searched for free basketball textures and found some. I planned to use them to create the basketball, but later decided to generate an AI image. After spending a lot of time, I found the right image. Then, I opened After Effects and imported my image. I applied the CC sphere effect, increased the radius, and adjusted other parameters to make the ball realistic. Now that I had the ball, I wanted to make it bounce and rotate like a real basketball. I checked the rotation parameters inside the CC sphere effect. Using keyframes, I could rotate it on all three axes. But I didn't want to do it manually. I wanted to automate it using AI. So I started writing expressions with the help of ChatGPT. I needed two expressions, one for rotating the ball on its axis like a real basketball, and another for making it jump up and down with a realistic squish effect on ground contact. I went through a lot of back and forth prompts in ChatGPT until I got the exact expressions I wanted. In the end, this was the result. With the two expressions I created, I can turn any 2D image into a 3D sphere ball. For example, you can create different ball designs like this, or even turn an image into a 3D globe of Earth. I discovered many cool things while working on this video, animations and elements that most editors haven't used yet. For example, the detailed graph animations, realistic bouncing balls, or even dubbing a pig meme. So this is all for today's video. With this video, I wanted to show you that excellent video editing is not only mean to copy anybody's style, it is about how you can present your thoughts, ideas, perception, and story into the viewer's mind. Hope you like this video. Share it with a video editor who needs this most.